Now, India has issued a notice to airmen in no time for a major Indian Air Force exercise along the southern India-Pakistan border.
Well, the exercise, which is scheduled to take place from June 7th to June 8th, will be held in Rajasthan near the international border. Now, this is part of the Indian Air Force's regular operational readiness drills.
According to the notice, airspace restrictions will be in place from the 7th of June, 3:30 p.m. to the 8th of June, 9:30 p.m. to facilitate the exercise. The development occurs amid heightened tensions between the two nuclear-armed neighbors.
Meanwhile, US President Donald Trump has lamented about not getting credit for brokering peace between India and Pakistan, as conflict escalated last month between the two countries.
Meanwhile, Trump has repeatedly asserted his role in preventing a potential nuclear conflict. India has categorically denied Trump's claim, saying that the ceasefire was facilitated by a call between the Directors General of Military Operations of both countries. India has maintained that no third-party mediation was involved in the truce.
Furthermore, India's all-party parliamentary delegation led by Congress leader Shashi Tharoor on Thursday met US Vice President J.D. Vance in Washington, briefing him about Operation Sindoor. Tharoor called it an excellent meeting with constructive and productive exchange for strengthening India-US strategic partnership.
Now, according to the Embassy of India in the United States, the conversation focused on cooperation in counter-terrorism domain as well.
Remember, J.D. Vance and his family were in India when terror attack took place in Pahalgam on April 22nd. He had strongly condemned the incident, describing it as devastating and horrific.
Another all-party parliamentary delegation led by BJP MP Ravi Shankar Prasad also arrived in Berlin, where Ambassador Ajit Gupta welcomed the 9-member delegation, which will convey India's united and resolute stance against terrorism.